Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another tea time video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful aloe vera smoothie, and this is going to be for detoxification and for beautiful skin, okay? Now when you consume this pure aloe vera, you're going to be producing collagen in your body, and it's going to strengthen your body's ability to fight off harmful toxins that we are exposed to every day, as well as inflammation. Now aloe vera cleanses your whole body inside and out, and the first place you're going to notice that is on your skin. Now aloe vera is great for anti-aging. It slows down the process of aging in your skin. Now today in this video, I'm going to show you what you're going to need. You need a whole aloe vera leaf. But if you don't have the aloe vera leaf, you can also use the Lily of the Desert aloe vera gel, and it's a dietary supplement, and it's the whole leaf, okay? You're also going to need some pineapples. Now if you don't have fresh pineapples to chunk, you can also use frozen pineapples. I just so happen to have my bag of pineapples. And you're also going to need some filtered water. Now let's start with the video. First of all, we're going to start with our pineapple chunks. And we're just going to empty that inside of our container. You're also going to need a blender for this, so keep that in mind. Okay, so we put our pineapple chunks in there. We're also going to need 1 cup of filtered water. Add that in there as well. Now you're going to put in a whole aloe vera leaf, but if you don't and you have to use the gel, we're going to also put in a cup of aloe vera gel into this detox smoothie. Okay, so this is 1 cup. Now if you have liquid stevia, that would be wonderful to use, or you can just use some honey. Since the pineapples are sweet enough, I'm just going to put like a half a teaspoon or a 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Okay. Now let's blend this up and see how this is going to taste. Nice and thick, you guys. Perfect. And all you do is transfer it to your favorite cup, and that's it. Easy, quick. Okay, here we go. But this is a wonderful way to detox your body, you guys. All these wonderful smoothies, teas, detox drinks, this is what's going to help you to lose that weight and clean your body from the inside out. Now aloe vera is a wonderful supplement that you can take and put in your drinks every day. You can put it in your breakfast smoothies, you can put it in your regular drinks, your smoothies, your teas. You can blend it up in there and it will taste wonderful, as well as clean your body and fill it with collagen and all the strengthening nutrients that your body needs. Okay, so try this wonderful aloe vera smoothie. This was a video idea from one of my subbies that wanted to know how to make this. And you don't just always have to use the pineapples, you can also use other fruits. So whatever your favorite fruit is, substitute the pineapples with that, or make a fruit blend. Throw in a few of your fruits in there and make it a nice fruity blend filled with detoxification benefits. All right. So don't forget, like, comment, subscribe down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and if you have any other video ideas that you want me to do, don't forget to list them down below, and I got that video out for you. All right, stay tuned because I have a wonderful hair shampoo that I want to make using aloe vera. So until the next video, I will see you then. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.